So I'm working on today. We are working on a set of gauges for the truck, and this is the original A-pillar. Drilled the holes for the wiring to go through, and we're gonna get this hooked up. So it should be pretty sweet. I'm not sure how long it'll take to set this up. I don't think it'll take too long, but it'll take a little bit of time to get it set up. Well, another section on my gauge install. I got the gauge panel mounted. It's kind of loose in there right now, but it's up in there. Those are the wires to run the lighting and stuff like that, and then the this is the wiring coming out here. Still, we're going to work on the grommet. This is the wiring out here for the sensors. So, yeah. And unfortunately, I'm running out of daylight, but should be able to get this done here pretty quick. So, overall, real happy. This is the cluster again. I had the PSOM repaired by a guy local here, and so I want to stuff this back in the truck and see if it works right now. So I'm really hoping that this works good and the truck behaves. So just to finish this video up, I had the PSOM replaced or repaired, and it works good. I did buy a brand new lens. In the last video it looked kind of weird, but that was because I had a brand new lens from eBay on my cluster. That's super nice. These are the 3 gauges, of course. The EGT exhaust gas temperature gauge is not hooked up yet. So it flashes when you turn it on. Like this. So, boost, EGT, and trans temp. If you don't know, and they don't really say it, the trans temp gauge starts at 80 and then goes up. So when you get it and your trans temp is reading 80, that's just the lowest it will go. So don't be freaked too far out because of that. Overall, real good. Truck's running real good, and I'm still on the hunt for some more interior parts for it. The Mocha interior. I gotta get seat belts and a rear seat, and I think I'm gonna do something interesting with the top, the headliner. But seat belts and a rear seat are the big items that I'm looking for. Anyway, thanks for watching. Well, got the new rims on my truck. These are from Vortec. These are Vortec wheels. Look pretty sweet. They're 18 by 9s. So yeah, I think they look pretty good.